The Nazis thought they held the world's strings. But André Toulon didn't need wires to make death move.
Herr Toulon has developed a method of animating his puppets without string. It's as if they were alive.
If Stein is even half right, this could be very important to my work.
This is one of the puppets I was telling you about.
No!
Elsa, take what you want, you bastards, and get out of here.
That would be you, puppeteer.
Oh,
Put him into the second car, take him to Gestapo headquarters, and put the toys in with the toy maker.
never knew a man who played with dolls before.
Herr Toulon has escaped your custody.
We are very close to finding him.
No thing will stop me from seeking you out. And you will cry me mercy. And I will have none.
What is this joke?
Fight. I don't care how many patrols it takes. Fight it!
Herr Toulon, you are a genius.
Elsa, this is the best I can do for you now. But you can still revenge yourself.
What is the secret? Nell!
No mercy.
You think I'm afraid of this?
You will be afraid.
Puppet Master 3, Toulon's Revenge.